Seniors over 60 eat this ordinary food to end muscle loss. For more than a decade, scientists at leading institutions, including the University of Tokyo, have been investigating the true causes of age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. What they discovered challenged long-held beliefs in nutrition and aging science. Muscle loss after 60 is not caused by low protein intake alone, nor is it simply the result of inactivity. In fact, many older adults experience muscle decline even when they consume adequate protein and maintain regular physical activity. The real issue lies in how the aging body responds to nutrients. As we age, our muscles become less sensitive to protein, a phenomenon often referred to as anabolic resistance. This means that even when protein is present, the muscle-building signal is weaker. As a result, protein alone no longer delivers the same benefits it once did. This explains why protein powders and supplements often fail to produce meaningful results in older adults. The surprising breakthrough came when long-term studies revealed that certain everyday foods could activate muscle-building pathways more effectively than isolated protein supplements. These foods work through different biological mechanisms, such as reducing inflammation, improving muscle oxygen efficiency, supporting nerve function, and enhancing amino acid signaling. Even more encouraging, these foods are affordable, widely available, and already familiar to most people. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Senior Health Vitality. By joining our community, you'll get regular tips, advice, and proven strategies to stay healthy, strong, and full of energy every day. One of the most powerful foods for aging muscles is fatty fish, such as salmon or sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a critical role in muscle health. Omega-3s reduce chronic low-grade inflammation, a hidden driver of muscle breakdown in older adults. They also increase muscle sensitivity to protein, making each meal more effective. Research has shown that when omega-3 intake is combined with light resistance exercise, older adults can experience noticeable improvements in strength. Including fatty fish in meals 2 to 3 times per week can make a meaningful difference. Another highly effective food is Greek yogurt, particularly when consumed in the evening. Greek yogurt is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady release of amino acids throughout the night. This overnight nourishment supports muscle repair and recovery during sleep, a critical time for tissue regeneration. In addition to protein, Greek yogurt offers calcium and probiotics, which support bone health and digestion. Choosing plain, unsweetened yogurt and pairing it with fruit or seeds enhances both nutrition and taste. Plant-based foods also play an important role in preserving muscle. Chickpeas, for example, are an excellent source of plant protein, magnesium, and folate. Magnesium supports proper muscle contraction and nerve signaling, while folate contributes to cellular repair and regeneration. Together, these nutrients help aging muscles function more efficiently. Chickpeas can be added to salads, soups, or blended into spreads, making them easy to include in everyday meals. Leafy greens, especially spinach, provide another surprising benefit. Spinach contains natural nitrates that improve how muscles use oxygen during movement. This increases efficiency, allowing muscles to produce more power with less fatigue. As a result, everyday activities feel easier and endurance improves. Adding a handful of spinach to eggs, smoothies, or warm dishes is a simple habit that can support muscle performance over time. Among all muscle-supporting foods, eggs stand out as one of the most effective. Eggs are rich in leucine, an essential amino acid that directly activates muscle protein synthesis. Leucine acts as a signal, telling the body to begin repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. Research has shown that leucine remains effective even in older adults experiencing anabolic resistance. Consuming just 2 eggs in the morning can help jumpstart the body's repair processes for the day. When paired with vegetables or whole grains, eggs become a powerful and balanced meal. The key takeaway is that muscle health after 60 requires more than simply increasing protein intake. It depends on choosing foods that support the body's changing biology. When combined with light resistance training, proper hydration, and consistent movement, these everyday foods can help preserve strength, balance, and independence. Strong muscles are not just about physical power. They support confidence, reduce the risk of falls, and allow people to remain active and self-reliant as they age. By understanding how nutrition truly affects aging muscles, it becomes possible to rebuild vitality from the inside out and enjoy a fuller, more active life well into the later years. If you found this video helpful and want more simple, science-based tips to support your heart and overall health, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. By subscribing, you'll never miss a video that can help you live stronger, longer, and healthier.